Hey everybody, we are planting some potatoes today. So we picked these potatoes up. We have a lot of them. We picked these up at our local Tractor Supply. So we have a mixture of red, blue, and then Idaho. I mean, you name it, we got like everything. So we are gonna plant some potatoes today in our big bag bed, or not our big bag beds, I'm sorry. Our big smart pots, but these are 25-gallon smart pots that we are gonna plant them in. We like to use these really big smart pots. It makes it easier whenever we go to harvest them at the end of the season. We can just dump them out in a wheelbarrow and then have a little scavenger hunt and find some potatoes. It just makes it a little bit easier rather than planting it in the ground. So we're gonna plant them in these today. So in these smart pots, we make all of our own soil mix. We do equal amounts of compost, vermiculite, and peat moss, and we mix that all together. So what we've done is gone ahead and filled these smart pots up. We have a 20-gallon and a 25-gallon one. We filled them up about halfway, and we're gonna go ahead and plant the potatoes in there. And as they grow up, we're gonna add some more soil on top of them. So we have a lot of these bags. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm just gonna pull out these smaller ones. So there's some that are bigger, and then there's also some that are a lot smaller. So we're gonna plant the smaller ones today, and we're gonna save these bigger ones for later. And what we're gonna do is cut these in half, so that way we can get more bang for our buck. And we, whenever we do cut them, we do need to let them scab over, and we'll let them heal over inside for probably about a week or so. It just helps to decrease the risk for any diseases or anything like that whenever we do plant them. So whenever we do plant these, we like to keep them pretty spaced out so that way we get larger potatoes. So we're just gonna plant a few in here. And whenever we do plant them, we're just gonna go a few inches down, and we're gonna have this sprout end facing up. So we're just gonna dig a hole down, put them in, and cover them up. That's it. Okay, let's find some more. There's a good one.
It's one on the side right there.
Look at that one. Let's put one in the middle.
There's one on the left side.
See it?
Right there.
This one? Okay, there you go. You want to do the honors? Perfect. So we just planted 5 little seed potatoes in this 25-gallon smart pot. And then as they start to sprout some more and the greens start coming up, we'll take some soil from this mound that we have right next to it and start to just add some more on top of it, and then it'll keep growing. So beginning in about 3 to 4 months, you should be able to get some harvest from these. You can also let them go for a little bit longer if you want some bigger potatoes too, until the greens start to die off and turn brown. So potatoes can be a really heavy feeder, so we like to add a lot of compost as we go through and add this soil in as well, just to make sure that it will grow good. If you haven't checked out our website, do that at seedtospoon.net. You can check out our store. We sell these smart pots in our store, and you can also save big if you do bulk items of 5 or more.
Here?
Yep, right there.
Yeah.
Lots of water.
Got a whole lot of water. Get them lots of water.
Yeah, great.
Red potato. Okay, we got one more red potato and 2 more blue.
Yep.
Blue are